Good morning, students. So today we're gonna start or we're gonna talk about the synthetic fiber and plastics. We will revise this chapter. It is not a tough chapter. We're gonna revise the synthetic fiber, the types of synthetic fiber, the characteristics of synthetic, and or you can say the properties, the plastics, their application, the characteristic of plastic, and the plastic and environment. Okay, so we're now gonna revise all these important topics. So first, what is synthetic fiber? So first of all, what are synthetic fibers? So the fibers that are made by human being, those which are not natural, in laboratory by using chemicals are called synthetic fibers. They are also can be known as a man-made fiber. So we have to create the synthetic fiber. That's why it is called a synthetic fiber. Okay. Moving on, so let's see this necklace. So synthetic fibers is pretty much like this. Please understand carefully. This each एक unit, this one unit is known as monomer. It's known as monomer. When this monomer is continuously, repeatedly, again and again and again and again, it forms like a chain, and that is known as polymer. So basically, all the synthetic fiber that you get is polymer. But what are we doing? We are repeating one unit, that is monomer. Okay. So all the synthetic fiber, almost all the synthetic fiber is basically polymers. So moving on. So the word polymers come from two Greek words. Poly means many, and meros mer means part or unit. Moving on, types of synthetic fibers. So what are they? Are rayon, nylon, polyester, acrylic. Now let's move on and understand what is rayon. Rayon is known as the artificial silk. Okay, and silk is very, very expensive, but rayon is very, very cheap, quite cheap. So it is obtained, it is also a man-made fiber, but it is obtained from natural source. It is prepared from wood pulp. When wood pulp is mixed with a chemical, it forms rayon. And where is rayon used? Rayon used for making carpet, clothes and bedsheet. It is a cheap silk. It is like a silk, but it is not silk. Moving on, nylon. Nylon is also used for rock climbing. A very strong fiber. It is so strong that it can stronger than a steel wire. It is used for making rock climbing. Nylon is also man-made fiber. It is also synthetic fiber, but it is used without using any natural raw material. There is no natural raw material that can be found in nylon. And how is it prepared? It is prepared from coal, water and air.